Hi everyone, compliment of the season. My name is Akorede Adenike. You are welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time of you checking on my channel, please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell for you to be notified each time I upload new video. In this tutorial today, I would like to teach you how to draft basics long sleeve, which is very simple to make. If you want to know how I get this, how I achieve this, please watch till the end. Let's get to it. Now, this is the pattern paper that I'm using for my basic long sleeve. I folded this into two. So I'm starting by making a straight line here. That will be my starting point. So from there now, I'm going to measure the length of my sleeve, which is 22. The full length of my sleeve as a long sleeve is 22 inches. All through. 22 inches. I'm going to connect the points. So I'll now add seam allowance to it. If you are adding lining, make it 1.5. If you are not adding lining, just let it be 1 inch. So I'm adding 1.5. So that's just it. So from this point now, from this starting line, I'm going to measure my calf's height. And to get my calf's height from this place now is my bust divided by 12 plus 0.5. And my bust is 38 divided by 12 plus 0.5 will give me 3.6. So I'm going to mark that 3.6 here now. 3.6, then I will connect the point together. So on this line now, I'm going to place my half of my round armhole. My round armhole is 17 inches divided by 2 is 8.5. I'm going to place that 8.5 here now, plus 1 inch seam allowance. But if you are adding lining, make it 1.5. But I'm adding 1 inch. Here is it. So from here now, I'm going to slant my line now. I'm going to connect it slantly. So from here to here, I'm going to find half of it. What is here now is 9.5. To get it easily, just fold your tape measure into two like this to get the middle of it. So on this line, on this middle, I'm going to measure ½ inch upward like this. So here is it. And I will now take my armhole curve. From here, I'm going to connect it like this. Now I'll now finish it like this by turning my armhole like this. So that's just it for the front arm, for the back armhole. To get my front armhole, I will just place my armhole like this on this line, not here. I'll place it like this and draw my front armhole out, as you can see. Then place it like this again and draw it. This is my back armhole and this inner one is my front armhole. So now from this line, from this starting line, I'm going to measure my shoulder level, which is 12 inches. Here is it. Here is the 12 inches for my shoulder. I'm going to connect it like this. So on that shoulder line, I'm going to, on the elbow line, I'm going to place half of my circumference And to get the circumference of my shoulder, just do it like this, and make sure you can move your elbow easily before concluding the measurement for it. And mine is 12 inches, half of it is 6 inches. I'm going to place that 6 inches here now. On my wrist here, at the full length of my sleeve, if you want to make it pencil, just deduct 2 inches from your elbow, circumference of your elbow, which is 12 inches minus 2, that will give me 10 inches. Here is the 10 inches now. Divided by 2, I'm going to divide that 10 inches by 2, that will give me 5 inches. Here is it. So I will now connect it. From there now, I'll connect it like this. Connect this place too like this. So this is what they call pencil long sleeve. If you want it to be a bit free here, if you don't want it to be pencil, just make it that 6 inches. So we now connect it like this. If you don't want it to be pencil, just the 12 inches that you get from your elbow line, place it on the wrist line too. So, but as for pencil sleeve, just deduct 2 inches from your elbow circumference and place it on your wrist. That's just it for the long sleeve. And I'm going to add, before adding my seam allowance, I want to let this place curve. You know, our arm is not straight, so you just make it like this, let it curve a little bit, let it curve a little bit. Just don't make it straight, let it curve a little bit like this. So from this curvy line now, I'm going to add my seam allowance, which is 1 inch. But if you are adding lining, please make it 1.5 to make it accurate, please. So I will now connect it. Just connect it as it goes. If you have curve roller, you can make use of it. But as for those who don't have curve roller, that's why I'm using my free hand for you to understand how to make it. So that's just it for the long sleeve. I'll now cut it out. So I'm cutting the back armhole first. So here now, I'm going to fold it. First of all, cut the remaining pattern paper out like this. From here to this plate now is my full length, so I'll just fold it on this line. I'm going to fold it like this and cut it out. If you want to make it short sleeve, you can use this pattern paper too. You just fold it in like this. You fold it like this till you get your desired length for your short sleeve. Or if you want to make it at your elbow level, you can just fold it on your elbow and just add your seam allowance to it to get your desired length. Then if you are drafting directly on your fabric, you have to notch the center of your sleeve here, so that for you to know the center. And to finish the cutting now, I'm going to open it up and cut the front armhole out like this. So that's just it on how to cut, on how to draft long sleeve. I have a video on how to cut, on how to draft the short sleeve. I'm going to put the link in the box below. So guys, if you find my tutorial helpful, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to support my channel. If you have any question pertaining to this or any question pertaining to any style or any cutting, join me on my Facebook group, Details to Sewing, created by Akorede Adenike. I'm on Twitter and Instagram at Akorede Adenike. Till I see you in my next video, stay blessed guys. Bye bye.